Hello Microsoft, I'm Karthik Singh, and in this video I'll be talking about what excites me about the technology and why do I want to help others explore and learn. So before jumping into the question itself, I want to give a brief introduction about myself. I'm Karthik Singh, currently pursuing my Bachelor's of Technology from Computer Science and Engineering at IIIT Bhopal. I'm 3 stars at CodeChef, currently making of this video, and 5 star at HackerRank in problem solving ability and C++. I actively participate in my college coding competitions, and I also have made various projects related to APIs and web scraping and computer visions. I have recently made an application that is based on the global pandemic also that is going on. So that what essentially does is that it loops every 30 seconds and notifies about the vaccination availability in the local area that we have provided. So that being said, let's jump right into the question. The main thing that excites me about the technology is its versatility. It can be used in military, it can be used in health sector, it can be used in communication, it can be used in economy and many other more fields. So it's very versatile. It is the essentially main thing that leads our mankind forward. Since childhood, I've always wondered how zeros and ones, how these bits are able to handle the sound that I play in my microchip and are also helping us launch missiles and defense system for securing a country, and how creating and solving various differential equations that are very tough to solve, they are done by supercomputers. So it always excited me, and it's still exciting imagining about the future, how the future would be with such a great technology where our civilization would able to go to different planets, will be intergalactic species. That is why the technology is very important to move forward. Now let's talk about why do I want to help others explore and learn. The simple answer to that, I guess, would be why not, right? Because in the modern era, technology is becoming less of an advantage and more of a necessity. Say 3 decades ago, having internet would have been a great deal, but now it's a basic requirement. So I want to help others explore and learn technology so that they can firstly keep up with the changing world, secondly be innovative and use technology for the betterment of society and mankind. It was pleasure making this video. Thanks for watching.